silver alert is in effect in Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Phoenix Police Department is looking for Sharon Caldera, a Hispanic 51-year-old female. She has brown and gray hair, weighs 150 pounds, and is 5 feet and 2 inches tall. She was last seen, on foot, at 3rd Street and Indian School Road. She has a cognitive disability and is deaf. She may be heading to the area of 23rd Avenue and Indian School Road. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.